Welcome back, everybody. If you don't know me, I'm Crystal, or welcome if you haven't been to my channel before. So, I'm doing this Attila inspired cut crease look today, based off of this shirt, basically. So if you would like to see how I did this cut crease look with the green and the yellow, then you're going to have to keep watching the video. Okay, so I already primed my eyelids, Hard Candy primer. Just did a mini one I've been using since I didn't buy the full tube yet. And then I'm going to take, I gotta find the right brush, this fluffy eyeshadow brush that I need to clean. I need to clean my brush today, like, ugh, even my paintbrushes. I'm going to take this matte, like, just pale base shade and put it all over the lid from LA Colors that I got from like Family Dollar, I think. Just as a base. Okay, then I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Brights palette that I can never open because I'm a weakling and I don't want to break my nails, even though they break like literally all the time. Because they're real. Okay, I opened it this time. I'm going to take this green shade right here and start blending it into the crease. This is my e.l.f., isn't it crease brush? Crease brush. Oh, I got it right. I'm gonna roll today, man. Not really. I'm gonna blend this in the crease. I'm gonna put it in. I almost went into blue, but that's not what I want today. I want to do green. Put it in the crease. And then start blending it out with the fluffy brush in a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to just keep building up with the green and talk to you guys about Warped Tour. If you don't know what Warped Tour is, it is basically just a music festival. They do like literally every single year. They've been doing it for a very long time. I don't even remember how long. And there's like a bunch of different bands, like so many, I can't even count. And they do different ones, like, each year. It could be, like, rock bands, indie groups, acoustic sets, some rappers, some DJs. It's so much fun. I've been going since, like, 2014, I think. I'm pretty sure that's right. It's so much fun. And what's sad about it is this year is the last year they're ever doing it. And I just... it's getting to me. It's 2018 now, and I, like, want to cry again. Because when I first heard about it, I was bawling my fucking eyes out about it. I love Warped Tour. It is so much fun. You don't understand. If you don't like concerts, then you probably wouldn't like it, but I love concerts. It was my first ever concert when I went. And I had a blast. Minus the rain. Getting everywhere because it was pouring outside the first year I went. Other than that, it was just great. I'm so fucking sad that it's ending. I like wanna have a chat with chem alignment. Like, come on. Okay, got the green all blended out, and I made it higher because my eyes are like kind of hooded a little bit, and I want this to work for like hooded eye people also, so it's gonna look a little dramatic. So yeah. Anyways, for the crease, I'm going to cut the crease. I need to do the crease. To cut the crease, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. You can use any concealer. This is just what I use literally every day when I wear makeup. And I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer brush. This is literally the best brush to cut the crease with, and it's only $1. Everybody get this if you're struggling with cutting the crease. And I'm just gonna look straight in my mirror and go a little above my original crease. and carve it out. Okay, once you have your negative space all carved out, you can set the cut crease. I had to breathe for a second. You can set the cut crease with like any shade shimmer or whatever. But I'm going to use today, I'm going to use the yellow in this palette, which I haven't tried yet. I've only swatched it before, so I'm going to pat this on the lid. Okay, so I basically put a little bit of this yellow shade and this like lime green shade. I don't know. It's slightly shimmery, but it's not like extremely noticeable, so it's fine. And I just kind of put them on the lid like this. And you can drop them. I just can't tell on camera. And you just set the crease like that. So I did my other eye real quick. Ugh, my eyebrow's itchy. And I was thinking about putting some of this silver glitter liner for Wet n Wild and like right in the crease, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to or not. I might put a little bit actually, maybe. What the hell was that? I just heard a weird like noise. Probably from upstairs actually, I don't know. Let me shake this up. These are from their Halloween collection, by the way. And they're pretty good. I've only got one, but I like it, so. And it was pretty cheap. I'm just gonna put glitter up here. I don't want that to smear anything. It's like a silvery, like kind of blue grayish tone silver, so it's like glittery eyeliner, but it's really fucking cool. What shade is this? Gunmetal. Mental? Gunmetal. No. Gunmetal. And they're maybe like $2.99, I think. When, they were out during Halloween. Well, like before Halloween, but still. It's like mid-October or something. Last time I did this, it just looked weird when I was doing blue eyeshadow, but that's because my eyelids are kind of hooded, so it didn't really match up. But when I do it like this, it actually looks pretty good. Can't really tell because my mirror, like my batteries are a little low right now, so I'm trying to get the best lighting I can get. Okay, so I put the glitter on both eyes. I don't even know if you can tell. Yeah. It's like a silvery, blue toned silver. Yeah. I'm terrible at explaining things, but that is not adjusted right. That's better. Okay. What was I gonna do? Bottom lash line. Oh yeah, I was gonna put eyeliner on the bottom. I forgot. I'm gonna take, well, it is an Essence eyeliner. Like I've had Essence kajal, I don't know how to say it, pencil in shade black. In my waterline, I normally use the waterproof gel eyeliner pen, but they were completely out of my Target, so I will just like, why not? I'll try a different eyeliner. And it's not half bad actually. I thought it was gonna be pretty shitty, and it's not. It's not like the greatest. Well, I don't know. I'm like picky with my eyeliners. Okay, I got that in my waterline, and I also got like an eyelash in my eye. Like, ow. Painful. And my cat. What are you doing? She's like behind me, but you can't tell because the fan's in the way. But for liquid liner, I'm going to use Essence. Another Essence item because Essence is pretty good so far that I've tried. I'm gonna go throw some lashes on real quick, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I got my lashes on, and I'm going to apply some blush and then highlighter. I'm going to take my Essence Blush Up Powder Blush in Heatwave, which is this ombre blush that I've been using in like every one of my videos lately since I bought it, and it's really good and pigmented. There's two today. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Facial Whip, and then my Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in Holographic Lights. First, I'm going to set my face real quick too. Sometimes I do it before highlighter, sometimes I don't. Just gonna dot the facial whip, my cheekbone, like 3 little dots, and just pat it in with my finger, like this. Got my facial whip on. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution highlighter and take my e.l.f. highlighting brush. Woo! You don't need a lot with this unless you want to pack it on, which there's no one. I do, so. This has like a slight green to it. It's like really pretty. Piece of hair needs to get the fuck out of the way. I am not done with my face yet. So if you want that like alien type glow, you should get this highlighter. I really want to try Jeffree Star's highlighters whenever the hell I get a fucking job. Because he has like literally every fucking shade, and they're huge pans too. And I haven't tried any of his products, and I like am dying to. Okay, forgot to say earlier, I put a little bit of that green, the darkest green I use in the crease. Ooh, his lash is like no, but I use the green under here, yeah. And I put false highlighters on my nose and everything. Brow bone. Ooh, dude, I look like I'm about to go to fucking outer space up in here. So for lips, I'm actually going to use black lipstick, not a nude or green lipstick, because I don't have any, first of all. And that's just a lot of green, because for lips, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Widow's Peak. And I don't have black lip liner, so I'm actually going to use eyeliner to do this. I'm not going to like use a bunch. I'm just going to do it to outline them at least. So the shape's a little. And I love these lipsticks. This is also from the Halloween collection, because I grabbed like 2 of them. I wanted to grab like all of them, but can't. And the money, so. Woo! So pigmented. Okay, everybody, this is the finished look of this Attila inspired green to yellow like cut crease look with the blackish lip. And I ended up adding a little bit of Sleepy Hollow lipstick in the middle. If everyone enjoyed this tutorial on this cut crease look, and I hope to do more soon. I forgot to mention, I am very like proud of myself. I'm almost at like 200 subscribers, so thank you everybody who's subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much. I didn't think I would even get to 200. Like, so close. Almost there, but that still means a lot to me because I haven't been doing this that long. It just means a lot. Thank you everybody. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see everybody in the next tutorial. Bye!